I am in UK from Pakistan since September 2007, and I was there for higher education. Since that time, I am still facing every kind of spiritual, emotional, mental and financial troubles, problems and crisis. I am very nice, down to earth, helping and quiet but religious also. But I don't know why all this is happening to me. Can you say it's a sort of a trial or any bad time on me? My big concern is unemployment and hindrance in marriage and immigration status. So please provide me some du'as and tawizat about my career, education and lifestyle according to Islam. He is saying that please help me. What do you say?
May Allah Azza wa Jal solve all problems of this Islamic brother.
Ameen. Ameen.
When hard time approach, recite Ya Qadiru, Ya Qadiru, Ya Qadiru 41 times. Inshallah Azza wa Jal, your problems will reduce. Any needy person who recites Ya Maliku, Ya Maliku, Ya Maliku 90 times daily will be saved from poverty and will become wealthy. Inshallah Azza wa Jal. One who is facing hindrance in marriage should regularly recite Surah Ikhlas.
Surah Ikhlas. Okay.
It means Qul huwallahu ahad Allahu samad lam yalid walam yulad walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Surah Ikhlas 41 times at bedtime with recitation of Durood Sharif 11 times preceding and succeeding it, and then ask prayer only for the marriage. But the intention should be to refrain from all types of anti-sunnah and forbidden customs, including films, dramas, songs, musical functions, photography, etc. Duration of treatment is 90 days. 90 days. If an engagement, etc. gets done within this duration, keep resumed this treatment. Islamic sisters should not recite the first word Qul of this surah during menses. Instead of Qul hu Allahu ahad, recite from Huwa Allahu ahad. An Islamic sister should not recite the first word Qul of Surah Ikhlas during the days of menses.
Jazakallah. May Allah bless you. मीठे इस्लामी भाइयों, मदनी चैनल के नाजरीन, मुल्क से बाहर इस्लामी भाई हैं, परेशान हैं, फरमाया गया कि 41 मरतबा या क़दीरो पढ़ें और या मलिको ये, और शादी के अंदर रुकावट के लिए ये 41 मरतबा सूरह इखलास जो है ये पढ़ी जाए। इसका आजकल बड़ा मसला है, इस्लामी बहनें भी इसे पढ़ें और इसकी जो मुद्दत है ये बताई गई कि ये 90 दिन तक है और इस दौरान अगर रिश्ता पक्का भी हो जाए तो इसे मत छोड़ें, करते रहिए। और अगर इस्लामी बहनों के बारी के दिन हैं तो उनसे अर्ज ये कि वो कुल हुवल्लाहु अहद से शुरू करने के बजाय हुवल्लाहु अहद से इस सूरत को शुरू करें।